on, brother. You pressure my brain now.
Godmother, the youth them a run Mali. On my block.
But a we do not run still.
That still can't compare.
What you mean, Stoneface? Drugs are drugs, dog.
Godmother, me can't believe how you just said that.
Stone, me know say the urban are the healing for the nation. But it's still not legal certain way, just like the Mali dog.
Godmother, as cold as the man them have a take it. Plus them a use man from my block. I push it.
You know sister draw them a draw you out, Stone?
A straight violation that.
You're right. Them violate the order. And you have to protect your block. But just know say, you can't come round me with that.
You know, Godmother.
I'm sure you a thing already, brother. I link Carlton for line up a work for you and the youth them. I bet you say no link it. See? That me I tell you. Brother, you make it is a draw you out too much, yo. I can't associate myself with that, dog. Me have a life to live. A new life to live, dog.
Godmother. I don't disrespect your new life, you know. But I think you move too fast. You need to look before you leave.
What you say? Me a do road from me a little bit of girl. Me see boy and girl drop on my foot daily. What you mean? Brother, me get shot in on my shoulder. Me bury my little sister. Then beat me, left me for dead. I find God and love and you go tell me say, me fi look before me leave. No bro. Me make my choice.
Godmother. We've been through it too, you know. Through thick and thin. That's why I'm there by your side. We have talk about. You might not like hear this, you know. But me not trust the pastor boy there.
May I say something to you? May I go tell you something what you know? You see that pastor? You see Gladstone? You see anytime him there around me and him say nothing negative about you, me defend you straight. So watch that style, yeah. You see when you say nothing negative about him, me I go defend him name. So don't mention him name out of your mouth. You understand that?
That's the thing there.
Yeah. And that's it there. You can't have boy up me soon to be husband.
Well, Godmother, I love and respect you, you know. But I not sit down and play no hypocrite.
You don't have to play hypocrite no more, brother.
Greetings. I'm not disturbed now, right? No interruption.
No. Stone just a leave.
It look like him want live.
A friend loves all the time. And a brother is born of a time of adversity. Proverbs 17:17.
The righteous keep moving forward, and those with clean hands become stronger and stronger. Job 17 verses 9.
Now, Stone, how are you feeling when you hear that? But there's no one should get hurt again, like how your friend hurt her.